Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Do you sometimes wish that you get many vegetables or fruits in your garden? Especially when it's homemade and you use all organic manures and fertilizers? Those who watch our videos already know that we grow many fruits and vegetables in small pots only. But often we only end up getting flowers, no vegetables or fruits from the flowers. This may be because there's no pollinators in our garden which can pollinate the flowers. So in today's video, I'll be telling about some plants which attract pollinators into your garden. Not only do they attract pollinators, but they also make your garden much better. Also, these plants are really easy to grow in harsh climates as well. And they are also really low maintenance. Such as, can you recognize this plant? If you cannot yet recognize this is the oleander flower. This flower attracts many pollinators into your garden. And this is also very low maintenance. Also, you'll be easily able to get many blooms from this plant. So this plant is a must if you grow fruits or vegetables in your garden. Another such plant is the moss rose. This plant is really easy to grow and you'll get many pollinators from this flower. Not only that, but it is really easy maintenance plant. And you don't have to even take care of it that much. And its colorful blooms makes your garden look much better. So this plant is also a must if you do kitchen gardening in your garden. And it can also tolerate really hot weathers. Another such flower is the chrysanthemum. It's a winter flower and it also has really pretty blooms. Just look at how many bees are attracted in our gardens. And it does not only come in one color, it comes in various colors, which makes your garden look really pretty. We will soon upload a video on this plant's care, as right now this is the best time to plant chrysanthemums. Do you know this plant has also attracted many butterflies in our garden? Yes, and there are so many caterpillars that turn into butterflies in our garden only. Do you know there are not only butterflies that get attracted into our garden? Yes, even dragonflies come into our gardens. I'm pretty sure you already recognize this plant. This is the jasmine plant. Today only we uploaded a video on jasmine. This plant also attracts many pollinators. Not only that, this plant also has a really sweet fragrance. Just a few days ago, we also uploaded a short on this rose plant. This is the desi variety of rose. Make sure that you also use the desi variety so that it can thrive in hot climates. These all flowers attract many pollinators into your garden, which can easily help if you have a kitchen garden. Like this only, we get many lemons from our garden every year. If these pollinators weren't here to help us, we'll never get these many lemons as we are having now. That's why having pollinators in your garden is a crucial thing, which many people tend to forget. Do you know there's also many plants that help in pest control? Yes, if you wish, we will later upload a video on it. Also, we have noticed that many pollinators attract towards yellow flowers. So you can also keep a few yellow flowers in your garden. That's all. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.